To check messages, to go the Messages app. If it's not on your watch face, you can press the digital crown and find it from your app gallery. Here you can either tap the top left corner to compose a new message or pick an existing conversation. To respond to a message, tap the bottom of your screen. There's 3 ways to compose messages on your watch, and you can change between the 3 by using the button in the bottom right corner. There's a full keyboard, which works surprisingly well. I always feel like the letters are way too small to accurately type anything, but your watch is actually pretty good at predicting your words and choosing the right letter, even if your typing is a little off. I feel like my fingertip alone covers like 6 letters on this keyboard, but somehow I manage to type just fine without any errors. Or you could just talk to your watch and it'll dictate that to text. This is the option that I use the most. It's easy, hands-free, and really convenient, especially with longer messages. The third option is the drawing. You'll draw letters one by one to type your message. This is cool and actually kind of fun, and once again, the watch is really good at recognizing the letters, even though my chubby fingers aren't the most accurate when writing. Definitely slow but useful in some situations, and that's how you send messages on the Apple Watch. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and take a look at my Apple Watch playlist for more easy guides like this.